100% access to your entire scalp when making your hair fuller. Or if you're a hair professional, providing this to your clients, giving them fuller hair while they have 100% access to their entire scalp. How is this possible? Microstrand invention. Upon contact of the skin of the scalp, it disappears. One hair at a time is customized and added onto these microstrands, becoming this one of many examples of the finished product. When that's blended in between your client's hair, they will see and feel nothing. But when they run a brush or comb right down to the scalp, they will feel their scalp because they have 100% access to their entire scalp. And it works on anyone, even someone like this. But this is only one example of many examples. It doesn't matter if you have just slightly fine hair, you want to make it a little more fuller. Full access to your scalp provides you with a healthy head of hair. Your own hair stays healthy and grows freely, and it's a wonderful feeling having full access to your scalp as if nothing is there. Now, if you're an individual, click below and you can schedule your own appointment, phone appointment or video appointment of your choice. Find out more detail, get all your questions answered, and find out your options. If you're a hair professional, you need to offer this to your clients. And we have something special. For a limited time, to a limited number of hair professionals, you as a hair professional can get a free personalized website. It's a website that has a video that teaches your clients all about this technology, shows them how it works. And also, within this website, you'll be able to see before and after pictures and testimonials within this website. This website will have your name and your contact information so you can share it with your clients and your potential clients to offer this technology to your clients to make this more available worldwide. And at this time, remember, click on the button below if you're a hair professional, and you're going to get this free website with free training. So, in summary, if you're an individual, click the button below, schedule a video call or a phone call. If you're a hair professional, click the button below and get your free personalized website.